How to transfer Google Play progress to iPhone. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you can open up your Google Play Store in your Android device. From here, check for the Google account that you currently use for your Google Play. So in this, we can try to reconnect with our account by using the same account in your iPhone as well. However, it does not guarantee transfer of your Google Play progress to iPhone. This is because of the different ecosystem. Android and iOS are separate operating systems with their own cloud storage solution. Google Play Games and Apple Game Center. There's no built-in bridge between them. In your Android to Android, you could easily transfer those progress by adding on the same account or even searching for the files and folders in your file option. However, as we are dealing with a separate operating system, we cannot guarantee that it will work. We can also check for the developer dependence. It is the ability to transfer save data often depends on the game developer itself. Some developers might choose to offer cloud save functionality across platform. However, again, it is not a guaranteed feature. We hope that you found this video informative to you and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.